Hi everyone, I'm back with a new recipe. Today we are going to make Masala Jowar roti. This is a Karnataka style recipe and it's made out of jowar flour. Now jowar is supposed to be had during summers because it helps cooling our body. But I happen to have a little bit of jowar flour left which I wanted to use up. So I'm trying out this recipe today. I also have a recipe for rice flour roti on my channel. I'll leave a link below, you can check that out as well. So let's move directly in. Let's have a look at the ingredients required. So in here I've got some jowar flour as well as a little bit of wheat flour. I'm using both today. If you wish to make this a gluten-free recipe, then you can avoid the wheat flour and make it wholly out of jowar. In here I've got some grated cucumber, grated carrot, finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped onions. And in here I've got some roasted cumin powder, salt to taste, and some sesame seeds. So I've got black and white sesame seeds with me, so I'm using both. You can use either one of them. So these are the ingredients required. Let's start making the roti. So in this bowl I've mixed together the wheat flour and the jowar flour. And into it goes the rest of the ingredients. So all the veggies and the green chilli, coriander, as well as the salt. I'm using roasted jeera powder or cumin powder here, and the sesame seeds. Mix everything together. And now I'm going to use some warm water to make a dough out of this. We're going to make a soft dough, so add water accordingly. So I've made it into a soft dough like this. I'm going to cover this and keep it aside for 10 minutes. So the dough has been resting for around 10 minutes. So I've got my setup ready for the roti. So first I've kept a cast iron pan on fire on medium flame and I'm going to let it heat up. While the pan is heating up, let's make the jowar roti. For that I've got a butter paper in here. You can use butter paper, a cotton cloth, or you can use banana leaf. Either of these you can use to make the roti. We'll also need a bowl of water to dip our hands in. So I've kept that ready in here. I've got the dough in here. I'm going to take a lemon-sized ball of the dough and keep it closed. I'm going to roll it into a ball. Put it on the butter paper and start spreading it, dipping my fingers in water occasionally. Don't make it too thin. I'm going to make a hole in the center like that. And the first roti is ready. We'll make the rest of them in the same way. It's best to make them and then put them on the pan and cook them and then start with the next one. The pan is nice and hot, it's on medium flame. Pick the butter paper and flip it the roti side down. Let it sit for a few minutes. And then just pull the butter paper out. Now let's cook this. If you find that it's drying up, you can apply a little water through. I've also got a jowar paratha recipe on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description, do check it out. So this is done from this side. Let's flip it over and cook it from the other side as well. look for the brown spots. And if you feel like it's cracking, you can apply a little water on top. So the roti is cooked from both sides. We can remove it into a plate and make the rest of them in the same manner. Make sure you serve them really hot. So the roti is ready. Make sure you serve this really hot and serve this with some chutney. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye bye.